If there's anything we have learned from the year 2020 and this early part of 2021 is that it pays to have more than one source of income. And that is why in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 side hustle opportunities that you can work from home. So the first one is teaching your native language to other people. And it doesn't matter what language you speak. It could be English, it could be Kiswahili, it could be the Luo, it could be Kikuyu, it could be Xhosa, it could be Chichewa, whatever language, Chinese, Japanese, whatever language that you speak, you'd be surprised how many people out there are interested in learning this language. And there's so many websites whereby you can register yourself and start offering your language skills to other people. And the best part, my favorite of all, is italki.com, and the reason is because you do not have to have any certifications to teach another language to other people. So for example, italki has 2 streams. There's what they call the professional teacher, whereby you can only teach if you are a certified teacher of that language you want to teach. But they also have what they call the community tutor, that allows you to teach any language which you're either a native of or you have near native knowledge of. So for example, in my case, I am a native Swahili speaker, I am a native Luo speaker, but I'm not certified in any of these languages, but I teach on the italki platform as a community tutor. So if this is something that you think you could try out, you want to check this link up here, where I have shot several videos that guides you step by step from how to register, how to get your first students, how to maintain them, and all that pertains to teaching your mother tongue or another language on the italki platform. Number 2 side hustle that you can make money from home is by selling digital downloads, and you can sell them either directly through your own Shopify store, or alternatively you can use my other favorite platform, which is Etsy.com. And the beauty with Etsy.com is that it brings together people who are makers of handmade items together with those who love to buy handmade items. So the beauty is that everybody who is in that platform either makes a handmade item or is interested in handmade items. So you already have a ready market, and all you have to do is to market your product. So the beauty with digital downloads is that using a simple app or a simple tool like canva.com, which has both a free version and a paid for version, you can actually design a whole lot of digital downloads. And here we are talking about calendars, we are talking about workbooks, we are talking about social media posts, we are talking about Instagram story templates, we are just talking about anything that can be downloaded and consumed in digital format. But if that is not like your strong forte, you could sell any handmade product. So for example, if you're based out of a country like Kenya, for example, you could sell Maasai handicrafts, you can sell kiondo baskets, you can sell carvings, you can sell pretty much anything that is unique to the Kenyan culture, but somebody outside of Kenya would be interested in it. So check this video up here, where I also talk about the different aspects of running an Etsy business, how to start, which is the best payment method, which is the best shipping method, and everything else that pertains to starting an Etsy business in Kenya. Number 3 side hustle that you can do from home and make money is starting your own YouTube channel. And you know what, it doesn't matter whether it's going to be one that has your face on it, like this one where I am the brand of the YouTube channel, or one that is faceless, which means you do not show your face on the YouTube channel. And it's very, very simple to start your own YouTube channel. All you need is a phone with a camera, or if you have a camera, that's fine. And you need a Gmail address, because you're gonna need your Gmail address to register your YouTube name. And you can talk about anything on YouTube. Believe you me, there's somebody who's willing to listen to your story. My suggestion to you is to focus either in solving a problem for other people, focus on entertaining them, or focus on gossip. Those are like the three main niches of the YouTube channel that you're guaranteed to get an audience from day one. So for example, like on this video, it's an information video where I'm showing you different side hustles whereby you can make money from home. So there's probably somebody somewhere who's interested in making money from home, and they already have a full-time job but are just looking for a side hustle. So this video is for them. It's an informational video. Another option would be, you just like what Edgar Obare does. For example, he just picks all this gossip from everywhere and has a whole crowd of people that subscribe to his channel to get the tea. Alternatively, you can focus on just entertainment. For example, if you're a musician or you are a comedian or you just want to vlog about your life. So there's people who probably are just looking for an online friend, somebody to talk to them and just to entertain them. So there's just room for everybody on the YouTube platform. There's different ways of making money with YouTube. You can, for example, sign up for YouTube's partnership program, whereby YouTube will put advertisements on your videos and you will get a 55% cut for whatever the advertisers pay for this advertisement. So for you to be eligible for YouTube's partnership program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, and you need to have at least 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. But you can start making money even without the 1,000 subscribers or without the 4,000 hours watch time through affiliate marketing. For example, you can also ask for donations from your viewers or from your audience. You could sell merchandise. You could direct your audience to maybe a shop that you have. Let's say if you have an Etsy business or you have a Shopify store, or you could sell some downloads to them. So there's like a whole lot of options. You can use sponsored you can make sponsored videos where, for example, a brand would pay you to talk about them through your video. So there's a whole lot of ways you can make money using YouTube, and you can check this video up here where I break it down step by step. Number 4 side hustle whereby you can make money online is an Airbnb online experience host. So the beauty of this way of making money at home is that you do not need to have a house like the other ways of making money through, like, let's say an Airbnb host. So with Airbnb online experiences, you're basically sharing something that is authentic to you as Eva, or authentic to your country, or something that is very special about you or your country, and sharing it online. And it's usually done via Zoom to other people who will pay to experience this service or this online experience with you. So for example, I know there's people here in Kenya who have Airbnb online experiences where they show other people how to make chapati, how to make biryani, how to make rio. I have also seen other people share stories about Kenya, teaching a few words here and there, a few Kiswahili words here and there. I have also seen people, let's say like in India, teach how to make samosas and how to make masala tea. I have seen a lady in Italy show other people how to sabor a champagne bottle and get paid doing that. So pretty much anything that is unique or is special about your country or about you or about your environment, you can literally share it through Zoom via the Airbnb online experiences. Side hustle number 5 you can make money from home is as a voiceover artist. So this is like my latest side hustle. I started sometime in April, and I registered my profile via Fiverr.com, and so far I have had 3 gigs bought from me. So 2 of them were actually the 2 were for new apps that somebody wanted somebody to voice the app's advertisement. So I've done 2 of those, and another one was like an Alexa skill kind of voiceover, and that's what I've done. And guys, it's one of the most interesting side hustles I've ever done. I was actually just trying. I hadn't put out so many demo audios on my profile, but I somehow managed to get 2 gigs bought from me. So I have also shot an entire video up here where I talk about how to get your first voiceover artist gig, especially as a newbie, as a beginner voiceover artist. And you want to check it out and just see if that is something you can use to make money on. You're probably gonna need like a studio. I don't have a studio. I do all my audios behind here. I stand at the corner there and I do the audios using my phone. The plan is once I get at least 10 gigs, I'm gonna buy a professional audio microphone and try and soundproof this room to create like a studio where I can be shooting, you know, higher quality audio. So that's the plan. But pretty much you can start anywhere. All you need is a quiet environment. I do all my audios at night, and you're definitely gonna need to have sample audios of the different voices you can do so that potential clients can see your capability. And it also helps you to figure out where is your voice best placed, because for example, it could be in narration videos, it could be in retail commercials, it could be in documentaries, it could be in video games, it could be like on anything. So you want to take demos for different genres, and then you can know what you're most comfortable with, what do you enjoy doing more. And it just helps when somebody is looking for a niche specific voiceover artist, then they can take advantage of your voice. And the beauty with the voiceover artist industry now is that people are getting more authentic in terms of, for example, if I want to do a voiceover for a Kenyan audience, instead of in the past where they would look for somebody who's like twanging or has like an American or a British accent, they would rather come for Eva who speaks English with a Kenyan accent or with an African accent. So there's more room for people now, and with a lot of companies moving to the online world, definitely has opened a lot more opportunities for businesses who want to go online for the first time and they'll be interested in your voiceover artist services. Well guys, that's it for today in terms of side hustles that you can make money from home. Let me know in the comment section below, which of these side hustles are you excited to try? Which of these would you want more information around? And I'll be happy to shoot another video to talk about them. I definitely look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye bye.